In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing chat history Sync Now Messenger. If you're experiencing issues with missing chat history or the Sync Now error in Messenger, here are some steps you can try. First and foremost, go ahead and open your Messenger. Now click on that menu button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then here, go ahead and click on that settings button which you'll find below your name. Now that you're on the settings page, go ahead and head over into the privacy and safety section. Click on that privacy and safety button. You'll find that under the preferences section. Now in here, go ahead and click on that end-to-end encrypted chats. Ensure that message storage is enabled, and if you remember your PIN, turn on secure storage, otherwise delete security storage. Now if this doesn't work, what you can do is to go ahead and update the application. Make sure Messenger is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause syncing errors. Another thing that you can do is to enable account sync. Check if account sync is active in your Messenger settings. And the last option that you have is to troubleshoot connectivity. Ensure your internet connection is stable, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to fix this issue. And that is how you can do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.